Make space for joy. Hi, make space for joy. I'm Viv, the life strategist, helping busy driven people go from chaos to clarity. And thank you for joining me today and giving me a moment of your time to make some space for joy. And what do I mean by this? Busy driven people sometimes don't make an intentional space for joy. And it's true that we can get these happy moments that just kind of hit us by surprise and achieve a lot of joy, experience a lot of joy. However, if you are, especially in this season, really busy on the go, 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 if that's been your pattern in life, if you've been achieving a lot in life, right, then it is it can be really worthwhile to carve out some space for joy and making that actually an intentional priority. So what can you do? What can you do today to do that, to set that intention? And not just today, but what about every day? What about if every day you intentionally carved out even just a little space? I like to do this, especially with my son, because he's, so young. He's 4.5, almost 5. And so obviously he loves to play and he loves to be joyful and all that good stuff. And so he reminds me to kind of like slow down. So I will set aside time and be like, okay, I'm going to spend some time with him and play with him, and that is like setting aside some joy, some time for joy with him, you know. Also, I choose to do that with my husband and I choose to do that with myself. Obviously, well, not obviously at different times. Sometimes it's actually all together too. And so this is just a little reminder today to be a little bit more intentional about your happiness and maybe set an intention and think about how and when could you set aside some space for joy today, okay? And if you haven't got our my clarity from clarity to chaos, nope, from chaos to clarity pre-New Year workbook, then and you're interested, just send me a quick message. You can DM me or just type the words clarity in the comments and I'll make sure you get a copy of that, okay? So bye for now and remember to live with live with what did I always say? Sorry, wake with passion, live with purpose, and sleep with peace because you deserve it, okay? If you've enjoyed this, like, share, follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.